The number 26 is 25% of what number? Here our solution. Let x represent the unknown number. Then itong 25% ating itong i-transform into decimal form. So ito equivalent 0.25. Again, ang sabi ng problem, the number 26 is, pag sinabing is, ito ay equals 25%. So ang 25% ng ating rate, atin natin na-transform into decimal form, kaya 0.25. Then of what number? Pag sinabing of, ito yung multiplication. Therefore, ito ay ating matatranslate into a mathematical equation. So ito ay 0.25, then x equals 26. Isolate variable x, divide both sides 0.25. By using long division method sa pag-divide ng decimal sa whole number, itong divisor na decimal ating lang i-move ang kanyang decimal point. Move 2 places decimal point going to right. Ito ay magiging whole number, magiging 25. So dalawang move ang ating ginawa. Ang dividend ngayon, maglalagay tayo ng dalawang 0. So magiging 2,600. Ngayon, pwede na natin ma-divide. 2,600 divided by 25, that is 104. So the number is 104.